Start recording. Stop recording. Speech off.
Hi. I would like to talk about some news that I've heard about. The Clifford the Big Red Dog TV series that's coming out in 2019. Well, coming out this year, literally. Although, I mean, I'm over Clifford the Big Red Dog, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to keep up with some stuff. I mean, I like it. It's just I don't show it here on YouTube. The only way I show it on YouTube is by experience of what I did. I wonder if Scholastic saw my video and thought, maybe we can make a Clifford the Big Red Dog series. I mean, first of all, I'm too young to voice the dog. It would have to be someone about 40. Like Brent Titcomb, he was like in his 40s. And John Ritter, who was in his late 40s, early 50s. Oh, I mean, yeah, literally early 50s. But yeah, anyways. Even if I were, I mean, I don't think I'd even be. I think the best way if I were to get picked for it. I mean, I was just doing an impression back in 2016, about 3 years ago. But I do not think that, I mean, even back then there wasn't even a series planned. So, I don't think anyone even saw the video. But in the description I just said, I'm not the voice, however, I just, demonstrated how I would voice the character if I were to, do the bark. If I were to, do the, how a dog barks, like, woof, or something like that, I'd do that, but I do not, I mean, I wouldn't do it on purpose, I'm not the voice actors who did, I'm not like any of the voice actors that did Clifford. However, I'm not even wanting to be the dog. So, that's okay with me. I may have wished at one point to do that sort of thing, but again, I'm not wanting to do that. So anyways, on to the news that I've heard on an article, is that the episodes will be, I mean, I don't know what 22x39 means, but I guess it means 22-minute, I guess it means 39 22-minute episodes for the series. And if you think about it, the 1988 Clifford the Big Red Dog video cassette series had 22-minute episodes. And another thing I heard about it was that there were 3 seasons. I mean, there will be 3 seasons in the 2019 reboot. One kind of joke was like, is this a reboot or a re-woof or whatever? I just hope I do not get myself started in watching Clifford the Big Red Dog. Ugh. Oh well. If that's what it comes to, then be prepared for the worst. Yikes. Ooh. I'm gonna be surprised on who would do the voice of Emily, Elizabeth, and Clifford. Because number one, I don't want to mention names here, but I mean I'm not an actor. I may wish to be an actor, but I'm not an actor at all. Except for maybe in a couple of things that were like probably personal related, not Hollywood or anything, just personal stuff. But yeah, anyways, I'm not some celebrity, so don't ask for anything because I'm not a celebrity. And I don't even know why I'm even talking when I'm supposed to be talking about what I've heard on the Clifford the Big Red Dog article. Getting back from what I've heard from the article, that Emily, Elizabeth, and Clifford will communicate by just talking to one another. And you may be wondering, how could that be possible? Well, if you were born in the 80s, or if you are someone who likes looking up stuff on the internet about a certain franchise, you may have come across a series of 6 video cassette tapes featuring Clifford the Big Red Dog, entitled Clifford's Fun with Ellipses. Like Clifford Fun with sounds, letters, shapes, numbers, opposites. Okay, now what was another one? Nope. Rhymes, that's it. I mean, I looked it up on the internet, literally. I literally did look it up on the internet back in 2015. When I had a bit of an interest. I didn't have a Google account, so, I mean, pretty much anyone can look on Google without an account. But anyways, in that series, Emily, Elizabeth, and Clifford communicated by just randomly talking and having a conversation, like two people, like if I was talking to, let's just say if I was talking to a family member. That's how it would be. And, yeah, that's basically it. Seriously, what do you think I can do in the near future? Who knows, maybe I could do a review of an iPod in the future. I'm planning on doing that thing, but anyways. But anyway, the article I was talking about was an article released on October 1st, the same day the Rise of the Ninja Turtles toys was supposed to have came out, and wow, that was something I missed. But I guess it was worth it to miss it, because I seriously don't know why, but I did miss it. I just don't know why, but I mean, anyways, that's pretty much the end of it. By the way, I'm also embarrassed to do this. I still have remains of memories in my mind after trying to forget the actual franchise existed. Ever since I made that I am over Clifford the Big Red Dog video, Clifford the Big Red Dog finally video, I thought to myself, this is gonna take a while to get over. Even people back in 2017, they were like, really? Really? Really?